So today I'm basically just gonna do like a daily makeup look that I always go for. It's like a go-to look, especially if I'm rushing. Then firstly, I'm just gonna use the YSL All Hours foundation. This is the liquid version. And I'm actually kind of excited because this look like velvet, you know? The velvet kind of material and fluffy. Feels like I'm touching bui to one palm here, and just gonna hold it like that. Here goes nothing. Okay, so from what I see from the video, right, I see Tati doing like this pulling motion, which is kind of cool because normally with Beauty Blender you do this dabbing. You just want to pat the product into your skin so that it looks smooth. So far so good. I'm quite impressed. I was expecting some creases because of this material. Like a Beauty Blender, normally it's just boing, 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 boing. Don't forget your neck. You don't want to have like two tones. Looking at my mirror close up, it looks kind of flawless. It's quite smooth. This Blendiful is not taking in a lot of the makeup. I feel like I'm using lesser of the product also, because with Beauty's blender, right, I need to do like 3 pumps because you know with the water it absorbs some product into the sponge. But this one I feel it's okay. It's like the product is on the sponge, so it's not being absorbed into it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the other side with a Abduct Cosmetic Microfiber Velvet Blender. It's also like my first time using it. It's like brand new and it's super cute, like velvety, sort of like this material, but it's 缜密. How do you say 缜密in English? So I'm just gonna use this like remaining one. I'm just gonna, without any liquid or any like mist, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. One more time. Oh, I think I put too much already. No!
It's way too much. I'm just gonna use the fresh area to like kind of blend it all out. It's so cakey. I think I put way too much already.
Okay, so this is like half face using Blendiful, half face using this. I'm gonna set my face with Fenty Beauty Invisible Matte Blotting Powder. Just going in like that. And then I'm pushing the product in a patting motion also on areas that I want it to be matte, which is basically the entire face. Then next we will be using the same sponge. Okay, I feel that this is definitely picking up more product, but so far both sides looks good. I'll zoom you guys in to see like the details. This side is Blendiful and this side is the sponge. Some blusher. I'll be using Pink Wing, this one in the middle. This is the La Duty. And go ahead and blend it out.
I like this blusher because it just gives me glow even if I don't want to put like highlight on it. Because I don't normally put highlight unless I want it to be extra booms.
Blush done. On a typical, you know, daily makeup look, I won't be doing my eyes because I have my eyelashes tint and lifted already, so I don't really put mascara too. Just put like, draw my brows, foundation, no concealer, and also blusher. And last but not least, we have lip color. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Gem. You know, it will bring life back to my face. But this is the color that I've been like wearing a lot. So this is actually how I do like a very basic minimal daily makeup look. And look at my new nail. I think I really will prefer using this to this. I mean, this is, I feel like it doesn't really absorb too much product into this Blendiful, and it's very pliable. You can really just go in like that, or you know, your bag is so small. Bring this, baby. This is so small and convenient. I mean, like, you can use this for cream, you can use this for liquid, you can use it for powder. It's like multi-usage. One beauty blender is 30 bucks Sing. This two is 27 Sing. I think it's a good buy. And it's so cute. So cute. See, this is like a very good shape for this area. If you're gonna do highlight, you can probably just slant it a little bit and do this tapping motion. You know what? Let's just try it out. Just gonna use the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer. Easy, right? Do you see that? It's not in the face, but you can see it. Oh my god, I'm ruining the design on the palette. Oh, but look at the highlighter, it's so cute. Just give you like a shine, like before and after. Before it's like that, down, man. After, before, after. And then also going with my finger on Cupid's bow and tip of my nose. So this is how I look. I think overall I'm liking the result a lot. Yes! If you want to go on a go, this is the Charlotte Alert. It's as if that this product is not taking in a lot of product. This product is not taking in a lot of product.